Welcome back to Decor Catalog, your trusted place for modern home decor and interior design inspiration. In today's video, we are exploring the latest modern TV unit designs with smart storage solutions. The TV unit is more than just a place to put your television. It's a central element of your living room decor. A well-designed TV unit can combine style, elegance and practicality, making your living room feel organized, spacious and inviting. So if you are planning to upgrade your living room or designing a new one, stay with us till the end to discover beautiful and functional TV unit ideas that can suit different spaces and interior design. In most homes, the TV wall is the main focal point of the living room. This is where guests look first and where the family gathers to relax. That's why choosing the right TV unit design is so important. A modern TV unit is not just about placing your television, it helps declutter the space, organize cables, storage accessories, and enhance the overall interior theme. Whether your living room decor is minimal, luxurious, classic, or contemporary, there is a TV unit style that can perfectly complement your space. One of the most trending designs today is the wall-mounted floating TV unit. These units appear to float above the floor, giving a clean, modern, and airy feel to the room. The benefit of the design is that it saves floor space and creates a very neat and uncluttered look. Most floating TV units come with hidden storage drawers, cable managements, channel and open shelves to display minimal decor. Adding LED strip lighting under the floating cabinet enhances its visual appeal and creates a warm atmosphere. For homes that need the more storage, TV units with wall vertical cabinets on each sides are a great choice. These cabinets can be used to store books, media devices, board games, decorations, or even daily essentials. This type of design turns the entire TV wall into a feature wall with openness and balance. You can choose glass front cabinets if you want a more elegant and display focused look, or solid wood doors if you prefer a clean and minimal storage solutions. Whether it's oak, walnut, teak, or an engineered wood, wooden textures add warmth and character to the living room. Modern wooden TV units often combine matte laminate, can panels, fluted designs, or metal handles for a stylish look. Pairing wooden textures with natural wall colors such as beige, white, or light gray creates a beautiful, cozy, and timeless interior. If you enjoy displaying decor pieces, family photographs, books, or indoor plants, then TV units with open shelvings are great options. Open shelves make the wall look lively and expressive. To avoid clutter, remember to keep the shelf styling minimal. Use a combination of small vases, books stocked horizontally, candles, sculptures, or framed photos for a balanced aesthetic look. The key is to display only items that truly enhances the design instead of overcrowding the shelves. For those who prefer a clean and mess-free look, choose TV units with closed drawers and cabinets. These allow you to store daily use items such as remote controls, chargers, speakers, DVD, kids' toys, and more out of sight. Closed storage helps maintain a simple and uncluttered living room. You can choose push to open shutters, soft close doors, or handle-less cabinet doors for a very sleek and modern appearance. For larger living rooms, a floor to ceiling TV wall units can create a luxurious built-in look. These units cover the entire wall and can include open shelving, closed cabinets, display niches, and LED lighting strips. The design looks elegant, structured, and high-end. It also offers maximum storage spaces, perfect for families who need organization without compromising style. When it comes to choosing the right material and colors, go for combination that complement your existing home decor. Popular combination includes white plus wood, black plus walnut, matte gray plus oak, marble finish plus gold ancients. These combinations look modern and visually balanced, suitable for both small and larger living rooms. One of the most overlooked elements in TV unit design is cable management. A small TV unit should have hidden cable channels so that no wires are visible. This instantly makes your living room look tidy and professionally designed. Additionally, adding LED light behind the TV panels, inside open shelving, or below floating cabinets creates a beautiful ambience and highlight the design beautifully. So there were some of the latest and trending TV unit designs with smart storage solutions. Whether you prefer something minimal or luxurious, compact or spacious, there is a design that can perfectly match your interior style and storage needs. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to like this video, share it and subscribe to Decor Catalog for more inspiration every week. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.